Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Teacher Agnes. I will teach you how to speak English on a daily basis. So, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Today, we are going to use the word like in a sentence. Like means you like the person. That's thumbs up. So, how will you use that in a sentence? You will use the word I. I like you. Then the word we like you. And then we have the word they like you. We can use singular pronoun like she likes you. So this time you're going to add s because your noun is a singular form. Then you can have he likes you. Then you can use the name of a person like Maria likes you, Edwin likes you. See? And if you are going to use two persons, so you can say Martha and Maria like you. Apply the word like in doing something. I like to cook. I like to drink. I like to shop. I like to swim. I like to jump. I like to dance. So that is how to use the word like in a sentence. So you can start telling your friends now what you like to do. Tell them what you learned today. So next time, there are more to come. So this is Teacher Agnes. Bye-bye.